All right, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, my name's Chris, and I'm currently on a new endeavor for creating the world's best creative newsletter, and it's called Dopamine Detox. Dopamine Detox is your source for self-development insights, content creation hacks, and life tips to level up your productivity and creativity. So I think a lot of people, when they're starting something, overthink the branding of what they're creating. And I quickly wanted to make a video showing you guys how simple and quick it is to come up with the face of whatever you're creating, whether it be a newsletter, a podcast, your YouTube channel. You can use two tools, Unsplash and Photoshop, to quickly brand out whatever you're working on. So the first thing I'm gonna do is head over to Unsplash. If you don't know what Unsplash is, it is a free, royalty-free website that you can use any photo that is on here for whatever purpose that you want. Hundreds and millions of photos are uploaded to this website, so you can literally search up anything and you can use it for free. Your boy actually has a profile and has over 11 million views and 108,000 downloads. I love uploading photos to Unsplash because it's just, these are photos that were just gonna sit on my hard drive, and now they're used across multiple websites for free. Obviously I'm getting anything from it, but these weren't going to make me any money really anyway. So the first thing I did is I took the name of my newsletter, Dopamine Detox, and I searched up those images. So I did dopamine. I quickly did a quick search here. Didn't really see anything that I liked. I then searched up detox. Didn't really find anything that I liked either. So then I went through and searched up some other key terms, and I ended up finding this photo that I liked right here, which is absolutely perfect for what I need. Sometimes you'll get this lucky when you're searching in Unsplash, and sometimes you don't. So I don't really need to modify this image too much, but I am gonna bring it into Photoshop here. I'm gonna just click and drag this in here. It's in Photoshop now. So then pretty quickly here, I can turn this image to the branding of my newsletter. So all I'm gonna do is add a binding box around the image. I'm then going to select everything on the outside of it and click on generative fill. What that's gonna do is it's going to fill in the rest of the image with the yellow that is on this photo. I actually really like the yellow that's used, so I could brand it out some more, but I really like this yellow. Now I'm gonna select the main image here. I'm gonna click select subject. It's gonna select everything for me. I'm gonna hit Control C, Control V. Now I just have this isolated image here of the photo that I downloaded. So then now I'm just going to take my text tool and I'm gonna type out dopamine detox. Bring that here, bring this up top. I'm gonna hit Control T to make this larger. I'm then going to change the text to be a little bit bolder. Make this larger here. We'll even update the spacing of the letters to be this. And then I'm gonna center this, bring this a little bit down. We're gonna put the isolated image over so it creates this contrast here. Then all I'm gonna do is type out my tagline that I thought of, a newsletter for creatives. Make this a little bit skinnier of a font. Boom, boom. So pretty quickly, with not that much effort, I was able to create the branding for my newsletter in literally less than 5 minutes with Unsplash, which is a completely free to use website, and Photoshop, which is relatively cheap to use. So I want to make this quick video because I have definitely overthought the branding that goes into all my creative projects that I want to do. And I think with the technology today and the innovation that's coming with everything in the creative industry, you can quickly brand out, you can quickly create anything that you really need for free. And really excel whatever you're trying to create, whether it be a newsletter, a podcast, your YouTube channel, really anything. So that is the video. If you guys liked it, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I upload weekly vlogs showing you the behind the scenes of my life. I'm currently moving in with my girlfriend, and also all the creative stuff. Video. Peace.